If you have Moto G05 and you want to set your fingerprint lock in this smartphone, then this is the video for you. Open your settings, scroll down and then select security and privacy. Again scroll down and then select device unlock. There you will see the option of fingerprint. Select this one. Now if you have set your screen lock, then you can skip this part. Otherwise select pattern, pin or password. Here I'm selecting pattern. Now draw your pattern. Click on next and then confirm your pattern. Now you can set your privacy setting. Here I'm selecting don't show your notification at all. Now it will not show any notification on the lock screen. Click on done. Click on setup and then place your thumb on the fingerprint sensor. Now keep on tapping and adjusting your thumb on the fingerprint sensor so it can completely capture your finger. After that it will show an interface like this. Click on done and now you will be able to unlock your smartphone with the help of fingerprint like this.